For the last few years, when you buy a Ram truck, 2500, with a Cummins in it, the dealer is generous enough to give you this cap plug, and it's effective. That's what you have. If not, and I've seen pictures online, driving in the rain and bad weather and such, you will get water and crud in that fuel cap. Well, this will keep it clean in there. Well, I wanted to upgrade from that, so I went online and did some research and found this guy. I like this. It's CNC aluminum. It's got diesel on it. It's got an O-ring on it and a magnet. A pretty good magnet. Put it there while you're filling up and put it back. And it fits with authority. It's a pretty snug fit. And the CNC shop that's making these, he ships it with two different sizes of O-rings. The other one is slightly larger. The reason he does that is that he's running two different internal dimensions on these filler necks. So I tried both O-rings, and the smaller one fit my neck with a perfect amount of snugness, I feel like, to keep out mainly water. Pretty nice. They're only 20 bucks. I'm going to put a link in the description. If you're an Amazon Prime member, it's free shipping. They do make the same CNC shop. They make a CNC aluminum for the depth plug, but I'm not too worried about that. That has an O-ring in it. These trucks just sip depth. In 7,000 miles, I think I might have used 5 gallons, and that's mainly pulling the fifth wheel camper. I'm not worried about the depth yet, so that's pretty much a non-issue. It locks up real tight. But I do like this. Like I say, mainly for the magnet. You're not going to lose it. You don't have to put it down in dirt. Thanks for watching.